Good morning, welcome to Harley Classics. And today we've got another little beauty. I'm not a fan of MGs, I never have been really. It's never been a thing for me, an MG sports car. But I've got a fantastic example here. When I say fantastic, this car is as good underneath, if not better, than the top. You'll see the pictures on the website, or even on this video, of the underneath of this car, and it is better than the top. So here we are. It's a 1963 early one with full door handles, MGB Roadster in iris blue, and I think iris blue in this and frog eye sprites is the best colour to have. The car has had a brand new heritage body shell, so basically it's a rebuilt car, and everything's been done on it, from the interior, the wheels, engine, transmission, diff, brakes, everything. Basically, when we got the car, it was in a restored state. Come out with a big collection. What we've done since then is, out in the workshops, we've done the usual, the brakes and all that rubbish. Had a leak on the petrol tank, we fixed that. It had a mild steel exhaust on, which was brand new but didn't look right, so we put stainless steel full exhaust system on. We've had the wheels re-powder coated because they were a little bit shabby. Fitted a new starter motor. But look at the car, look at it. Inside, in the boot. You know what I mean? It sounds like a bit of a cliche, but you could eat your tail out that car. It's perfect. There's a couple of minor paint imperfections if you wanted to be picky, but I think the car's been done for 10 years, so it's been in storage for 10 years. It's going to have minor imperfections. Got good Dunlop tyres. We're looking here. The seats. It's the 4-speed with an overdrive. There's the overdrive switch there. So you've got overdrive in third and fourth. The interior's been completely restored, renovated, new carpets, seats. And apparently it's only done, looking at the speed, you've got to ignore the speed or the mileage because, again, it's a brand new car, it's been rebuilt. Apparently it's only done 50 miles since it had the engine rebuilt. So we'll take a look at the engine in a minute. We'll move around the front. Chrome works nice. Everything's nice, that's beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Got a new top. Looks beautiful with the top off. We'll pop the bonnet. We'll have a look at the engine. Now it's an 1800 engine in these, but this one's been, when it was rebuilt, it's been away to offshore engineering, and it's had uprated cams, twin carbs on there with the filters. Just take a look for a minute, have a look round it. It's just stunning. It's a stunning car. It runs lovely, absolutely lovely. It's a little bit lumpy with having that high performance cam in, but it pulls through all the gears, fantastic. Like I say, I'm not a fan of them, but I really do like this car, and you'd find it hard to find a better one on the market today. I really do. I really think you would. You know, and I wouldn't like to think what it would cost to buy a shell today and rebuild it to that standard. It costs a lot more than what this car's up for sale. But there you have it. MGB Roadster for sale at Harley Classics. You come and have a look. Here's an email, send us a message, come for a test drive. There you go, beautiful car, absolutely beautiful. Bye bye.